Ever show up to a job and every battery is dead? That's why I installed a power inverter in my truck. It converts the truck battery into regular outlets. So I've got my battery chargers plugged right in. This way I can charge my batteries on the way to the next job. Yeah, this 1000 watt is more than enough power to charge up these two battery chargers. I like this one too because it tells you how much your batteries are drawing. See that? This way when I get to the next job, they're charged up and I'm good to go. You know, the worst thing is when you're doing a job and you run out of battery power, completely messes up your time, which messes up your money. And that's always an issue. Time is money, so always want to make sure I'm not stalling when I get there. The one that I got even comes with these battery clamps, which is cool because, you know, if you ever have a power outage at your house, you can remove your car battery, connect it, and then power up such like appliances, and you could actually power up your gas furnace if you have one, which that's a major hack right there if you're out of power and it's cold. That was one of the reasons why I bought this thing, is we had those winter storms back in January and December. We didn't lose power, but I was ready if we did.